Buying groceries with PayPal is pretty easy thing to do today. I'm gonna teach you how you guys can buy groceries with your PayPal. So for that, we will go to any of the website. I'm just gonna go to the Walmart, and in the Walmart, you have to go to the main page, and you just need to select any of the groceries or any of the stuff that you want to buy. You can also go to any other website if you want. I'm here at the Walmart just to show you guys. And after that, you have to go to your cart. In your cart, you just have to continue to check out, and after that, it will load and take some time. And here you have to fill out your information about your first name, last name, your addresses. And remember, in the payment section, you will be able to see multiple payment methods, including credit card, debit card. You can also put the virtual card in space of debit or credit card. If you have the PayPal's card, you can easily put that information as well. But you will also be able to get an option for PayPal. So you just need to select the PayPal option, and you have to log into your or connect your account with this Walmart, and your payment should be deducted from your PayPal account. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can buy groceries with PayPal. If you guys find this very helpful,